Hi, beautiful viewers, welcome back. It's another beautiful view on Dina's fashion. In today's video, I'm going to show us how to tie two different head wrap. So, let's get started. Here we go with the first one. Here's the head wrap for this, and it's very lengthy. What I did here is to take the tip and cross it to the other tip to make a triangle. That's what I'm trying to do here, just to form a triangular shape from a square shape. So afterwards, all I did here is to fold the tip, trying to fold it, fold, 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 or let me say wrap, wrap, keep wrapping, or you try to fold it, fold, fold, fold in a continuous process like that. Then what I did next is to take the fold part. After neatly folded, I take it back then to the front side and give it a twist, just like a tight knot, one tight knot to make it form and have that headband shape. Then give it another one twist like a crisscross and also tuck it in. A crisscross after the tight knot and tuck it in and adjust it and style anyhow you want it, either to be at the middle part of your hair or at the frontal part. So it depends on how you would love to style it. And that's it. Or you can as well give it like a two knots, and that will show a kind of a bit bulky at the front part. That's the difference between the first one and the second one. So here we go for the second face. One cross tight and pick it again with another tight knot and tuck it in. The second look for today. All I'm trying to do here to like take the tip and make a triangular shape with the scarf and also tie it from the back side towards the front part. So afterwards I give it a tight knot to give it a firm look. And also I try to like adjust the front part and also give it a twist. But before then we have three tips at the front. One, two, three tips there. What I'm trying to do here, just trying to adjust any edges there and also pulling out the middle tip to make a balanced with the center, with the first one and also the last tip. Now we have three tips at the front, so just pick the first tip and also the second tip and start making a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist. So take it to the side and also tuck it in. Tuck it in. So we are left with the other tip. So for the other tip, all we need to do is to wrap, 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 wrap it, wrap, keep wrapping, and tuck it in. That's it. So if you feel there is any edges, just tuck it in, and we have our head wrap. So what do you think of this look?
So here I have my two side twist edge band. How would I call it? Egg wrap. So that's all on this tutorial. What do you think about today's tutorial? Hope you love this. Hope you love my egg wrap. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye.